YouTube channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you some view here in the like hidden mountain. Okay. Okay. This is like mountain. No, it's like a park, but you need to go up in a mountain. Okay, this is the way. I think this one is they call Sunway Park. Sunway Park. Yeah, the name of the park is Sunway Park. Yeah. See? They say Sunway, but actually you cannot see the sun. You cannot even see the sun here. You see? It's like a jungle. I think if this kind of place is in the Philippines, sure have snake already. See? It's like a jungle. Yes. Okay, then I place my camera at me. Okay, yes. We are here. Okay, we walk. Yes. Jungle. See, jungle. Do you see? They say this one is called puno ng balete. Yung tinatawag na baliti sa atin, yung where you can see the white lady. They call white lady. Big scary. May white lady dito. Bawal turo-turo. Tabi-tabi po. Siyempre, hindi ako nag-iisa. May kasama ako. I'm not alone. I'm with Cecil. Cecil in YouTube is Langga. No. My loves. Cecil my loves in YouTube. Sa YouTube kasi hindi pwede mag-tag. Sana man lang yung para pag mag-post ka, itatag mo na lang. Okay, you see? This is where we go up just now. It's like a hill. Later going back, we will go down there again. See? It's a hill. Then this side also have one more going up. Yes, you go up here. It's another part of the park already. See? Show you. Means got wildlife animal here. Time to time you can see wildlife. Just now I saw a chicken. The chicken go away already. Just now I saw one chicken, but I chased the chicken, so now the chicken no more. Yeah. Oh, I see two black men there. We avoid them. May dalawang itik sa likod ko. Huwag natin ipakita sa video. Baka akala pa kilala natin. Ano ba to? Parang anahaw to, Cecil, di ba? Sa atin, kahawig siya ng anahaw, pero hindi siya anahaw. Kasi yung anahaw, malalaki yung niya. Dapat mga 5 minutes. Kasi pag iano mo sa YouTube, kailangan matagal-tagal. Kala nyo jungle to. May hidden camera dito, yun, no? Kita mo yun? Kahit sa jungle ng Singapore, may hidden camera. Yun, no? CCTV. Tapit natin. Yun, no? Diba? Yung jungle. Kaya kung may white lady dito, makukunan ng CCTV. Makukunan ng CCTV. Pakita ko yung yan. Okay, i-view ko ng mabagal. Okay, rolling 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. Okay, then we go up. Show the camera on top. Ganyan siya, triangle. Okay guys, again, this is Taurian from Philippines. Feel free to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Arnie's Vlog in SG. Okay. Tatabihan ko yung kasama ko. Per kilo, 400. 400 per kilo. Pareho kaming malaki ang pata.
Hi. Please subscribe to my channel, Cecil at My Love.
Cecil at My Love. My one is Taurian from Philippines. Okay, bye-bye.